Yeah.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mudabongs ufake a very disturbing video lapha ku Instagram story yakhe labonakala khona anengade ebusweni ayigeleta nje, and people were shocked ukuthi hayibo, what is happening now? So akazange put it like a lot of information kuleya video, except for that video akuphela, and people were assuming ukuthi hlampe ube involved car accident, or maybe he was mugged. People couldn't really understand what was going on. So people were just saying ukuthi hayibo, we hope right, siyathemba njena awulimalanga kakhulu, what's happening. But uthe nje emva kwesikhathi wabese uyayikhipha le video leyana, abantu abaningi basatibuta ukuthi what really happened to uMudabongs. Guys, so this thing yendeke ekuseni kusakanamuhla ngabo 4 ekuseni, so indaba namuhla le namhla 1 June 2025. So it's something that happened today ekuseni. I don't know ukuthi bekabuya ku gig or bekaya ku gig, but bekabonakala nje emela extending next to his car, athatha video looking like that ebusweni. Uhambeke waya lapha ku story sakhe wayebhala the following post wathi, I'm somewhere between giving up or seeing how much more I can go, music industry. Clearly this is something le ndeke hlampa biya ku perform, because uyasho ukuthi usome between giving up or abone ukuthi like how much like he can go kulo music industry kulento njena ayemqulu. People are saying ukuthi bana, what happened? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.